Hi guys, welcome back to Smart Budget Hub. Today in this video I am back with another smart gadget. Before going to the gadget, I will tell you a few things about this gadget. Every college student, every school student should have this gadget on their table. It can helpful in multiple ways. This is a tabletop overhead stand. Someone calls it overhead tripod, and it's a flexible like a tripod, like a flexible stand comes with a iron arm. So completely most of 90% of this gadget made with a iron. Let's quickly unbox the gadget. Let's quickly unbox this gadget. Universal holder. You can use it for like a universal professional mobile table, universal stand, video header. You can place you can connect your you can connect your. This is the smart gadget. We are going to place it here. You can see this. With the help of this knob, you can easily adjust the you can lock with the help of this rotating knob. We can place it here. Phone, even you can connect your pop filter. You can connect your regular flexible and this to hold your mobile and as well as tablet. This is our mobile stand. You can check it here. This is the flexible arm stand. You have to connect this one. We have a long arm over here. We have three other things. We have a mobile holder. We need to replace this to one here. We have a like a tablet holder. Today I will tell you how to use this one. Top of that we have this iron knob. Just lose this one. It will be flexible. You can rotate like 360 degrees. We need to connect this thing to over here. First of all, unscrew this one and place it here. Now I have tightened this one. Then you need to tighten this one too. Otherwise, camera stand will come out. It can rotate anywhere 365 degrees. Before connecting your mobile, you need to check whether it was straight or loose. You have to connect it. Otherwise, your mobile may fall down. Okay, now it's time to connect this one. This is the device where you are connecting this to your table, bed, chair, and everywhere. Now we need to connect. We need to place this holder, like backside this holder to here, and unscrew this one. And let's next tighten this screw. And we need to place this anywhere you want. Now I'll show you. I'm connecting this to my computer table. Now we need to unscrew this one. Both of the things are like this knob. Plastic, both of them are iron. Now we need to tighten this one. Now our flexible stand was connected successfully. Whether check we are connected tightly or not. You need to connect with it, otherwise your mobile falls down. It was tight. Now I'll show you how it was connected. This is how I connected here. You can check if the arm as per your adjustment. You can adjust your thing. If you want, you can lose this one, adjust this one. When you are adjusting this down, we have to use two hands, otherwise it will remove from this bolt. Okay, I hope you like this video. For more videos, subscribe to my channel. For product description, check the link in the description. Thank you. Have a nice day.